How to get $150 Uber Eats promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're gonna see the search box. Type in Uber Eats promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Uber Eats. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're gonna find amazing deals and offer. You can see that $15 off, $20 off, $25 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab, just click on it. So I have selected $25 off. Here's the code, you can copy it, then click on redeem at Uber Eats. You will be directed to the official website of Uber Eats. Now you can log into your account, browse through the menu and confirm your order. While in the checkout page, you will find the section of code. Over there, paste your code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount. Likewise, make sure to try out other offers as well, because in this page, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals. Lastly, make sure to go through these websites as well, because these websites will also provide you working promo code for Uber Eats. Well, this way you can easily get up to $150 Uber Eats promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.